Interesting things.
Whoa.
What is that?
Clutch throw.
Clutch throw.
A blankie.
A blankie.
Yay. And what color is it?
Orange.
Yay.
Your favorite color.
I love
Orange is your favorite color.
You got the pillow and the rug throw.
Well, that green pillow, for sure.
Wow. Okay.
Yes,
Wow. That's
has
nice.
a belt to keep it wrapped up.
Wow.
Yay.
Now you're going to be comfy and warm.
What are you drinking, Alexander?
Tea.
Tea?
A pillow, a blankie, a hooded robe. You're all set.
Wow. Well, we don't need to eat around here, Alexander.
He's good to go.